This is part of my daily smoothie. Great cover, super healthy. Nice and fresh. Loved adding these to my homemade granola. Very good. On-time delivery. Good packaging. First time trying Hemp Hearts, so I have nothing to compare these to. Looked good and tasted right. Package says refrigerate after opening. I normally buy hulled hemp seeds from Raw Food World.com, but the free SH from Amazon and the additional 15% off for getting 5 items or more, I decided I'll get a bunch. I am so glad I did. I love these seeds. They're nutty but not like anything else. I can't stand peanut butter or peanuts, but I am tired of almonds. These things can add kick to anything. Like a banana Nutella and rolled in hemp seeds. Now we are talking. I am drinking a shake them in it now. My roomie even likes eating them, and he was so meat and potatoes all his life. He even recycles now. These little seeds are truly a blessing. Raw is delicious. Haven't roasted them yet, but I do like them in my stir fry. Exclamation mark. Buttery, nutty flavor. Small sizes. Not clusters. Like it a lot. Today I received my Hemp Hearts. I am very excited to add these to my superfood diet. I started using them right away. However, about a half hour after consuming the recommended serving size, a stomachache began. Click link in description for details.